Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss our fourth chapter from class 12 biology syllabus. The name of the chapter is reproductive health, and this is the part 1 of reproductive health. Already we have discussed human reproduction in our offline class, and from this chapter we got to know few things. From human reproduction chapter we got to know few things. The first thing is, what is reproduction? Second, male and female reproductive system. Third, spermatogenesis. Fourth, oogenesis. Fifth, menstrual cycle. And the last one, pregnancy and implantation process. So this is our previous chapter. This is our previous chapter. So today we are going to discuss chapter 4. The name of the chapter is reproductive health. So before starting this chapter, you should know one thing, that what is there in this chapter or why we should study this chapter. According to WHO means World Health Organization. According to WHO, World Health Organization, in the year of 1948, they described our definition of health. So first we should know what is the meaning of health. Because we are going to study about our reproductive health chapter. So already we have discussed human reproduction. We all know what is the meaning of reproduction, what is the need of reproduction, but first we should know what is the meaning of reproductive health. So actually WHO described that health is a state of complete physical, mental, social well-being. Mental, physical, social well-being, and not merely an absence of disease, and not merely an absence of disease. So this is our basic fundamental thing of the health. So now we should know what is the basic meaning of this definition. So first we should focus on those words, that physical, mental and social well-being. What is the meaning of physical, what is the meaning of mental, and what is the meaning of the social well-being? So in a healthy person, you can say that all the organs like I am healthy person. So what does it mean I am healthy person? That my physical, my mental and my social well-being, social stature is good in condition. My physical condition, my mental condition and my social condition is good, in better position, okay, in respect of the others. So that's why now you can say that I am a healthy person. So in a healthy person, all the organs, suppose I am healthy person, I can say that I am healthy person. But what is the parameters to being healthy? That in a healthy person, all the organs all the organs, our all organs. So in our body few organs are there, and each and every organ has their own definite function. Each and every organ has their own definite function. So actually our chapter starts with the reproductive health word. Our chapter starts with this reproductive health. So before starting all those things, that what is the meaning of healthy person, what is the meaning of physical health, mental health and social health, so we should know first thing that what is the meaning of this reproductive health. And this reproductive health is included in normal physical thing, normal physical well-being, normal physical health, or this reproductive health is separate from the physical health. So please you should know one thing, that all the organs present in our body and which performs a definite function, which performs a definite function. What does it mean? That suppose in my body liver is there. Suppose in my body liver is there. So liver has one particular function. Suppose in my body ovary is there. So in my ovary it has one particular function. Clear? So next one is that suppose in my body stomach is there. So stomach has one particular function. It's not like that stomach, which function is played by stomach, that same function is played by the ovary. It can't be happened. It's never be happened. Why? Because ovary has one particular function, liver has one particular function, and stomach has one particular function. So you can say in this way that this is the health, this is this physical thing, this mental thing, this social thing, this physical, mental, social well-being, and not merely an absence of disease. It can't be happen that disease free life or disease free health. Okay, so it's never be happened. So disease will be there, but what is the main purpose of to study this reproductive health? That if disease is there in our body, then what we have to do, that we should have that kind of immunity to fight against this disease. We should have that kind of immunity to fight against the disease. Okay. So now we can say what is the meaning of this reproductive health, or what is the meaning of the healthy thing. So in a healthy person, all the organs in our body and system, all the organs and systems actually functionally properly. This is the main important thing. This is the main important thing in the reproductive health portion, that all the organs should functionally properly. Okay. So next one is that, and a perfect balance. We should maintain the balance in our body, and perfect balance should be there in our body. Organs and systems function properly, and we should have perfect balance between the environment and body. So what does it mean? It means suppose right now I am feeling very hot. Okay. Why? Because the weather, the temperature is actually rising. But if this is happening, then I am feeling cold. The temperature is 44 degrees centigrade, but I am feeling cold inside. So is there any perfect balance between environment and body present? No. I am repeating again. Suppose the outside temperature is 44 degrees centigrade. Suppose the outside temperature 44 degrees centigrade. This is our outside temperature. Okay. But I am feeling cold. I am feeling cold. So is it normal? Is it normal? Yes or no? Of course no. Why? Because this perfect balance is not there between environment and in my body. The perfect balance is not there between environment and in my body. So this is the actual reason that we should maintain the perfect balance between the environment and body. So let's revise once again fast, that what is the meaning of the reproductive health? What is the meaning of reproductive health? So you can say that reproductive health, the health of our reproductive organ. The health of our reproductive organ. Okay, it means that all the organs in a system, all the organs and system which is present in case of our reproduction, which is utilized in case of our reproduction, like testes, ovary, vagina, penis, bulbourethral gland, all those organs, all those system which are functionally properly. Okay, and what happened, and there is perfect balance between the environment and the body. So you can say in this way. So next one is that according to who, this is important for your 1 mark question, that what is health? In the year of 1948, who described that health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being. Okay, physical already we have discussed. So now we can discuss what is the meaning of the mental thing. Like I am depressed. Okay, I am not good in this case, or I am not feeling well. My physical condition is good. No disease is there in my body, but I am not feeling well. Okay, so that's the mental condition. And right now it's a very serious issue about we should all aware about our mental condition. Next one is the social well-being. Social well-being means that in the society we should maintain one standard. We should maintain the standard. Suppose I don't have any disease, I am well in mentally, but in socially I am not well. So it also means disease. It also means that we are not healthy. So if you say that I am a healthy person, so what will be the parameters to being healthy? What will be the parameters? That physical parameters, mental parameters and social parameters. So physical, mental and social well-being, and not merely an absence of disease. It can't be happened that I am healthy, so it does means that in my whole lifespan no disease actually attacked me. Okay, it's never be happened. Why? Because disease should be there in our body, but our body's immune system should be strong, must be strong. Our immunity must be strong to fight against all those diseases, and the body become disease free. So now you can say this is the health. Next one is that the last thing in today's video, that what is the meaning of disease? What is the meaning of disease? So first, already we have discussed what is the meaning of health. We have discussed. So now we should know what is the meaning of the disease. Next one is that disease is the condition. Disease is the condition of body of some organs. A body or some organs when its functions are disturbed. Suppose I am in fever. Suppose I am having fever. Okay. So fever is also one disease. Actually fever is not disease. Fever is the precursor of any. Actually fever is the symptom of any disease. So let's take that fever is disease. Okay. So suppose I am having fever. So what does it mean? That I am not well mentally. I am not well physically. Okay. So some organs, in my headache is there, runny nose are there, sneezing, all those symptoms will be there. So some organs and functions are disturbed. Some organs and functions are disturbed. So you can say that this is called the disease. You can say this is called the disease. What does it mean? That this condition of the body or some organs when its functions are disturbed. When the functions are disturbed. Okay. So now you can say that this is called the disease. Normally there are three types of disease are there. Normally there are three types of disease are there. So what are the three types of disease? The first one, genetic disease. Second one, infectious disease. And the last one, life cycle disease. So what is the meaning of it? First one, genetic disease. Second one, infectious disease. And third one, life cycle disease. What is the meaning of the genetic disease? What is the meaning of the genetic disease? What is the meaning of infectious disease? And what is the meaning of life cycle disease? That we all know about this matter in our second video. So before ending this session, I think all of you understood properly that what I have taught right now. So let's take a review. Let's take a quick glance that what is the meaning of the reproductive health. Reproductive health means this is the condition. This is the condition of our reproductive organs and the systems which is present in our body. And why this is very important? Why maintaining the reproductive health is important? Because if we not maintain reproductive health properly, then what will happen? Then different kinds of the disease will be there and our body will not be disease free. Our immune system will be lower. Okay. Next one is the what is the meaning of disease? The disease is the condition. Actually disease is the condition of body or some organs where the functions are disturbed. Where the functions are disturbed. Next one is there are three types of disease: genetic disease, infectious disease and life cycle disease. Okay. So in our next class we will discuss about all those diseases and the definitions and problems involved in reproductive health. Okay. Okay. Please go through this video properly and if any queries are there, please let me know. Bye.